Adriel, are you ready, Adriel?
Oh my God.
Oh my God, you're right. Hold on to your braces. Hold on to your braces. Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
No, not yet, not yet. Okay. Adriel, is it tight, Adriel? Yeah, you're not gonna fly out that thing? Oh my God.
We're turning backwards.
Oh my God.
Oh, yeah, we are, and then we're gonna go forward.
Oh my God.
And other loose articles, and step carefully into the boat.
Oh my God. I was just expecting this. What the heck? So we want the pool water, please.
Right, exactly.
Let it out, Ezra. Told you weren't gonna get that fast.
I didn't go up.
I did. And that was all urine.
I lifted it.
Wait, can we do it again? Please?
We have to get in the line again.
Yes! It's not that long. I want to put it again.
We've gotten on it when we get old. But right now, you guys can go stand at that one little corner right there. That corner gets so.
Can we do it again?
Oh, we gotta go. We gotta see the rest of it. We don't have many.
Exit will be to your left and up those stairs. Once again, exit will be to your left and up those stairs.
Come on.